Dear friends, I'm going to explain about how to set class path and class path in this video. So let us talk about what is class path and what is path. So when you talk about class path, a class path is used to locate .class files in a machine. So the purpose of class path is used to locate .class files in your operating system. So maybe you can say machine or OS. Here my this thing about machine is its OS. So machine here means operating system. It's used to locate .class files in operating system. Next thing, when I talk about path is used to locate tools of Java. Tools of Java. So maybe you can ask me what kind of tools, like Java C, like Java, Applet Viewer. So all these are tools of Java. So Applet Viewer, all this, etc. So many tools are there. I'll just show you all that anyhow. But this is a simple idea. I hope this is clear for all of you friends. So what is class path? It is used to locate .class files in an operating system. And path is used to locate tools of Java, like something like this. Maybe you can ask me where you can find .class files, where you can find tools of Java. The first thing is, why should we set class path and path? Because if you want to compile and run Java applications, definitely we should set path. That is very important. Then to locate .class files, then we need class path. So I hope this is clear. So, and let us see how to do this now. First thing, before going to set class path and path, make sure you install Jdk in your machine. That is very important. So what is that? Make sure you had installed Jdk in your machine. That is very important. So of course, it's very simple. How to install Jdk means, and you can download Jdk from here actually. So that is something like, you just type here Jdk downloads in the Google, then automatically you can find that downloads in Oracle website. And if you see this, just click on this Java downloads, and then you can find here all the required Jdk downloads, different files, Jdk files for different operating systems, like for Linux, like Mac, like Solaris, like Windows. You can find all this here. And I just need a 64-bit Jdk for my Windows 10 operating system. So I should download this. But actually I had already downloaded and installed. After downloading, what we should do, that's very simple point here. See, it's very simple, friends. After downloading, you go to the downloads and just select your Jdk file, and here just double click on this. So double click on this and it will ask you whether to install it or not. Click on yes. Then the installation starts, and you can see this. It's just processing. You can see that processing ring there. So now you get something like this. Then you should just click on next. That's it. You don't need to do anything. Just matter of a couple of next clicks. That's all. After that, once the installation is successful, then go to the C drive, program files, and there you can find not this one. You can find, when you just go to the program files, you should find a Java folder here somewhere. I'm not able to see this. Let me just quickly check this. You should find a Java folder. That's very important. So let me see here if I can find any Java. I hope I don't have any Java in my machine. Then do one thing, just install that Jdk. So now install that. JDK, because I don't have any JDK installed in my machine, so I'm just going with the process so that you have an opportunity how to install JDK also. So let me just proceed this with this. You'll get a window here, installation window, and just nothing but couple of next clicks. Next, just do this next. Let's wait until this progress. Come on, buddy, come on. Come on. It just takes just 1 or 2 minutes, not more than that. Once you install Java, then you should go for installing class path. I mean, setting class path and path. And I told you very clearly, path is used to locate tools of Java. Probably I'll just show you where to find tools. A class path is used to find .class files of Java, which helps you to run your Java applications from the background. Excuse me. And this continues. Now, once after you start installing, again you come here with one more window. Again, click on next. Continue with this next step. Then again the installation continues, and wait until this completes. And I can tell that very confidently. The end of this will complete the installation of your JDK. What is there in that? Even school students are installing this JDK. Just click on next. Then you are done with JDK, nothing else. So I think we are almost at the ending. Believe me, you don't need much more time. Finally, we are done. Now, once you install JDK, we should see that whether it is installed properly or not. How do you check that? Go to the C drive, program files, and you should find a Java folder inside that program files. Click on that. And you should have 2 folders inside this, JDK and JRE. This shows that the installation is perfect. Now you should set class path and path. Now I'm going to set path first. How to set this? First of all, the purpose of path, I told you, it is used to locate Java tools. So click on this JDK, click on this pin, and you can find a lot of tools here. You can say applet retriever, Java, Java C, Java RAM, Java H, Java P. You can find so many tools here. Now copy this path from the address bar. This is the path for Java tools. Program files, Java, JDK, bin. Copy this, Control C. Now I'm just showing you how to set path permanently. So go to my computer, right click, properties. I think it's clearly visible there. Then advanced system settings. Then environment variables. Then already I had set a path and class path, but I'm just removing it to make sure you do it from the scratch. Now click on new and just type path there and just paste the copied path from the address bar here. Here path is a variable name, environment variable, which is used to locate these files. And variable name value is nothing but the path to the Java tools, this one. And make sure you end it with semicolon at the end. That is very important. And click on OK. And do the same for again class path. But you know, the value of class path is a bit different. The purpose of class path is used to locate .class files of Java. So where do you find that? I'll just show you where you can find that .class files. Now again open your machine, go to C drive and go to program files, go to installation folder Java, now JRE, and inside that you have lib, and inside that you have something called rt.jar, and this is an RQ where you have all the .class files which are used to run Java applications. Different packages are available in this rt.jar. You understand more about it when we move further into the Java, but this jar is very important for us to run your Java applications. It has a lot of .class files inside that. So copy this rt.jar from this path and Control C, copy the path. Now go to that environment variable class path and paste this value under this, put semicolon and click on OK. Now you can see here I had set class path and I had set path. Make sure you end this, terminate both these values with semicolon and click on OK and click on OK, and this ends the setting of class path and path. I hope this is clear, my dear students, to all of you. My dear friends, that's idea about class path and path. So I just quickly summarize what is this path. Path is used to locate Java tools. Generally, they are available in C program files, Java, Jdk, bin. That is the path for Java tools. And class path is used to locate .class file. Generally, we found it in JRE, C program files, Java, JRE, lib, rt.jar. This is the jar file you should set as a value to class path. That is very important. So I hope this is clear to all of you, my dear friends. So I am signing out this session. Thank you very much for listening to this. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Manohar Pabsani, and I am here to help you to make videos on this Java. Thank you for listening to the session. If you have any comments, please comment it in the comment section. But make sure you ask what you know. I tried my best to give you the best information. If any additional information is there, please update in the comments section. But don't make bad comments, okay? Because everybody tries to do their best. I had done my best. Thank you very much.